Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Chat. Samsung displays are the biggest and the most popular smartphone OLED panels manufacturers in the world. The company supplies OLED screen for the hundreds of smartphone models, including one from Apple, Huawei, OnePlus, Oppo, Realme, Vivo, and Xiaomi. Huawei's recently released P40 series uses Samsung's OLED panels as well. According to the report from the South Korean tech publication, Huawei exclusively uses Samsung's OLED screen in the P40 Pro Plus. The P40 Pro uses screen from the China's BOE as well as Korea's LG display and Samsung's display. But Huawei P40 exclusively uses BOE's OLED screen. This goes on to show that Huawei prefers OLED panels from the Samsung for its most premium flagships. The Huawei P40 features a 6.1-inch OLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution and 60 Hz of refresh rate. But the P40 Pro and the P40 Pro Plus uses 6.58-inch of OLED screen with 90 Hz of refresh rate, HDR10 and DCI P3 color gamut, whereas in Galaxy S20 series features OLED screens with QHD Plus resolution, 120 Hz of refresh rate, HDR10 Plus, and DCI P3 color gamut coverage. Samsung uses OLED screens in over 60% of its phones, while Huawei uses OLED screen in just 20% of its phones. So, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for the latest update. See you in the next video. Goodbye.